Check out this 2006 Honda Accord. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Call today to schedule a test drive.